The Labyrinth della Masone is located in Fontanellato, less than half an hour's drive west of Parma. In addition to the actual labyrinth, made with bamboo plants, in the complex there is a building, inside which has been set up a museum which houses hundreds of works of art, dating from the Renaissance to the 20th century. Spaces for eclectic and surprising temporary exhibitions, as well as spaces for parties and events. The winding path that leads towards the center of the labyrinth is typical of classical labyrinths, of which the Cretan one, with its 7 branches, is a notable example, while the square footprint of the paths harkens back to Roman labyrinths. The perimeter, however, is in the form of a star. Here and there, crossroads and dead ends serve to disorient the visitor, who must choose the right path to follow. As in Renaissance garden labyrinths, one is invited to find pleasure in becoming lost amongst the vegetation. The exit, the heart of the labyrinth, coincides with a pyramid that houses a small chapel, evoking the ancient links between labyrinths and faith. That's all for today. We are waiting for you for the next video.